Have you ever taken a lovely photo and then noticed a total stranger standing in the background? Here's the good news. You can wipe them out completely for free without downloading a single app. It's already built into your phone. The only catch is Google moved it, so let me show you exactly where it's hiding. Two things put people off this. The first is a myth. You've probably heard Magic Eraser costs money, or that you need a Google One subscription. That's just not true. It's been completely free for every Google Photos user since May 2024. The second thing is you genuinely can't find it, and that's not your fault. Google quietly changed where it lives, so the old way doesn't work. Just look at what everyone's typing into search. Magic Eraser not showing up, or is it free now? Right, here's where it is. First, open the Play Store and make sure your Google Photos is up to date, because that's the fix for 9 out of 10 it's missing problems. Now open the photo you want to fix and tap Edit at the bottom. Then tap Tools, and there it is, Magic Eraser. This is the bit that changed. You used to scribble straight onto the photo, but now you have to come into Tools first. Tap Magic Eraser and you're ready. It'll even try to spot the distractions for you. Now, the satisfying part. Just brush over the stranger or draw a circle around them and lift your finger. And there you go. They're gone, and look at the background. The sand and the sea just fill themselves back in, like the person was never there. When you're happy, tap Done, then save a copy, and it keeps your original safe. That's a professional looking edit in about 2 taps. Before you go, 2 honest things. The first is simple. This is genuinely free with no monthly limit, so clean up as many photos as you like, but don't mix it up with Magic Editor. Moving objects or swapping the whole sky, that's a different generative tool, and it's capped at 10 free saves a month. Magic Eraser is the free unlimited one. It works best on clean backgrounds like sky or grass, and just so you know, on Samsung the built-in version is called Object Eraser. So that's it. Open your photo, tap Edit, then Tools, then Magic Eraser, and brush away anything you don't want. And if you can't see it at all, just update Google Photos and make sure you're signed in. No app, no subscription. It was on your phone the whole time. If that saved you, download, a subscribe keeps them coming.